talk all the time.
Hey, what up, everybody? Now today, I'm gonna have Cal react to the Tucker Experience 3D sound. I did it the other day. My little brother showed me it. It's a pretty cool experience. You get noise everywhere, 3D. It's like wild. You close your eyes, it's crazy. It was fun. And now we're gonna have Cal do it and see how she reacts. Let's check it out.
Please ensure your earphones are in and eyes are closed to experience the Tucker Zone. You unlock this door with the key of imagination, a fifth dimension beyond which is known to man. As vast as space, as timeless as infinity. An area which we call. I'm your host, John Tucker. Tonight's episode calls for a special introduction, because in tonight's episode, you are the star. We're gonna do an experiment to see if you can enter the deep vastness of your own imagination. Close your eyes, clear your brain, and take a deep breath as you enter.
The Tucker Zone.
Hey, looks like it worked. Welcome to the Tucker Zone. We're now inside your imagination. Currently, there's vacant black pieces. But throughout this experience, we're going to explore places in your mind and slowly fill up this space with your thoughts. Every day our mind runs basically on one simple thing, water. I want you to think about what it would look and sound like if I had a water bottle in my hand right now. In fact, start to hear me shaking that water bottle. Right by your leg. Cool, right? You just made the water bottle a real thing just by thinking about it. Check this out. Farther. How close?
Oh my god!
How about around your head? Okay, we're done with this. I'll just throw this back. It's so crazy how everything around us is one piece of thought somebody had. You know, just an idea. Then they put in the work and made it a real thing. Even really simple too. Like scissors.
Oh my
Things
gosh!
like scissors help create the things we imagine. You know, they help in that process from going from just ideas to becoming a real thing. Okay, we're done with these two. I'll just throw these back here. You know, all of this kind of depends on you interacting with your imagination. Let's try something. Imagine I have a balloon. You're getting really good. Alright, I'm gonna put this balloon right here by your mouth, and in a second, you're gonna blow this up. On the count of 3, blow up the balloon. Like, really physically blow it up with your mouth for this to work. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Too much, it popped. You have a powerful imagination. It can take you so many places. In fact, why are we just sitting here? Let's go somewhere. I'll take you there. Imagine yourself in the passenger seat of your car. Hey, you were supposed to imagine me in the car too, you know. Come on. A Lamborghini would have been nice. I'll try. Slow down the window. Take a good eye. You know, sometimes things just pop into your imagination. You don't even know what to do. Get that beat. Get that out of here. Remember, you're in control. You can ultimately make anything. Go ahead. Wave your hand. Let it out. Alright, how about some music? In fact, let's make it a party. You know, other people like myself can give you ideas that can then appear inside your own mind. For example, I'm gonna bring my robot. He's in the back seat behind me.
Hello, humans.
What's up, robot? God, that guy just pulled out right in front of me. Where did he even come from?
I can fix that.
What? No. Where'd you get that drill?
I have duct tape. I can fix anything.
No, put it away, robot. Nothing needs fixed.
Thanks for watching. If you want to know what happens next, go over to the channel. Do it for yourself. It's really fun. It's amazing. Check them out. See you guys.